guys, this is Jenna
and Josh
with Resort TV1, and we're here with Britt, Crystal, and Mom. And guys, we're not at Disneyland. We're at Hollywood Studios. No, Universal Studios, Hollywood. And guys, we're going to Super Nintendo World today. Oh my goodness, we're so excited. Let's go. We're walking over to Universal, and we're freezing. We're freezing. It's like 40 degrees, 45. Okay, we're heading into City Walk. I've not been here in years and years and years. Totally different than Orlando. Also colder. Just a little bit, but they do have a Cinnabon like we have. A Voodoo Donuts, we have that as well. Minchies. And this chocolate emporium, I heard, I think it just opened. We have one of those now. Guys, it's King Kong. Don't attack Starbucks King Kong. Don't do it. Cool fountain over here. It's not working now, but here's a Starbucks up top. The other one was not open at the moment. Johnny Rockets over here. We're still walking. We're not there yet. All right, can see the Universal Earth Ball. So we're almost there, guys. Okay, guys. They rolled out the red carpet. Going into Universal Hollywood. I'm so excited. Super Nintendo World. Okay, we're in. So excited. We got our locker and we're heading towards Super Nintendo World. Josh, how is your excitement level right now?
I was just looking at the store over there and just getting really excited.
Excitement level high. I think this might be the cue.
You guys know I'm a video game nerd anyway, so like I am like super excited right now.
Yeah, I know. Oh, is there a Hello Kitty store? Okay, now I'm excited. Which we have one too.
We have one of those.
Yeah, we do. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Super Nintendo World. We're seeing signs. So Harry Potter is right here, like literally not far from when you walk into the park. It's pretty cool. Ours is way in the back of the parks, both parks. Okay, so we passed Harry Potter. Looks like we're heading into Springfield. Simpsons. On our way to Super Mario. We're going into the lower lot, and Josh said it said power lot for Mario Kart or Mario World. Heading down.
Good morning, guys. Welcome. If you're
morning.
heading to Nintendo, make sure you have a reservation time through the app or express.
Okay. So guys, here you take escalators down to the different lots. So we're heading down to the lower lot right now. We're almost there. Josh already saw it. Look over here.
Yep.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Look, Josh, look.
I see it.
See it?
I see it.
Guys, the anticipation is real. It's real. We're not even there yet. We're not there yet. We're getting there. So they have Super Nintendo popcorn buckets. There's a Mario Kart one. Oh my goodness. Mom, you frozen, but you're excited. Don't worry, they got a Starbucks down here too, so we're all set. So when we're done with Super Nintendo World, that's where I'm going. Guys. There it is.
We're gonna go through the pipe.
Oh my goodness, so excited. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Did you hear the noise? Did you hear it? Oh my word.
Oh my.
So excited. Is this like your childhood come true right now?
It really is. I'm just completely shocked and overwhelmed. Wow.
So cool. So cool. Guys, look, my favorite characters up there running around. Little Yoshi. He's so cute, little Yoshi. What?
The swamp smokes when he gets to the ground.
What? You gotta zoom out. That's cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is for Toadstool Cafe. We might have to get in line for that. It's right here, guys. It looks really cute. All right, here we go, guys. Mario Kart, Bowser's Challenge. Let's go. Let's do it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that happy game. We're in the game, Mom. We're in the game, you guys. We're geeking out. This is amazing. Thank you. Wow. We're in a cave with toadstools. Guys, the star has shoes. And he's happy. Yoshi boy. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Is that Yoshi egg up there? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's Yoshi. He's up there. Yoshi with his little egg. He's so cute. We're going outside now. Oh my goodness. We're going up top. Holy moly. We're like on Bowser's castle right now. Gotta go wide angle there. Oh my word. Well, that is cool. Oh, look at the little toe, or like, what is, I forget his name. Koopa Troopa? Yeah, Koopa Troopa. Here we go, guys, here we go. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Backside of Bowser. Wow. I am so impressed right now. This is insane. Amazing. He's like, rawr, welcome to my castle. Josh is really smiley. He's tired, but he's smiley.
Awesome. Oh my goodness.
Say that again.
I don't have any words anymore to describe this. It's so cool.
It's amazing. The trophies, the mushroom cup, the banana. Oh, all the different ones you can play. Star, flower. We got the universal cup. That's awesome. Hey Mario, I challenge you to a race. Come to my castle and don't chicken out. I don't think I got the Bowser voice down, but you know, you get the point. The ghosty guy. Oh wow. Bowser's throne. He's got a picture of Peach. Oh my word, look at this! Miniature scale. You know, so he can plot how to win. Lunch with Iggy and Roy, 12 p.m. This is so well done. Holy moly. This is where they test the things.
Where they make the wind-up Koopas.
Yeah, right here. And the little blow-up bomby guys.
Bonbons.
I don't know all the names, but Josh does. I always gave him my own names. But believe me, I played Mario Kart all the time, right, Josh?
They don't have the bombs in Mario Kart as much.
Okay, but I did play it all the time. They have these guys. If you're first, those come after you. We're almost there, I think.
I love MKTV.
That's awesome. Look at all the people. Oh, look how cute he is. What's his name?
Lakitu.
Lakitu?
Yep.
Oh, he's out of coffee. I know that feeling.
Sad face.
I'm sorry, buddy. Oh my word, there's a Yoshi suit in here. Oh, this is so cool.
If you can please watch those monitors, and Luquita, our rep, is going to show you guys how to play the game on our race.
So you don't put it on top, you click it in. Okay. We gotta go get our visors. The visor room. We're almost there. We're ready. We're suited up.
We sure are.
Just need our goggles.
Team Mario.
Team Mario all the way. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these carts. They're so cool. I'm so excited. All right, guys, we just got off the ride. It was really fun. Not really what I was expecting. I don't know. What?
It was augmented reality, which I kind of knew that it was going to be, but yeah, it was way different.
Yeah.
Confusing at first, but fun.
Yeah, super fun. I loved it. It
And
was
the
really
scenery
cute.
was amazing.
Well done. Yeah. Can't wait to ride it again. It didn't break down at the end, but we got through the whole ride.
Yes, we did.
Really good.
Oh yes, it's up to 130-minute wait now.
And there's Mom. You liked it too, Mom? All right, so we're heading. We're in line now for Toadstool Cafe, hoping to get a time to come back to eat there. Here's the line. And yeah, hopefully we'll get a time. So we're gonna get some of these power bands because you can come over here and collect coins. That's the noise you're hearing in the background. This is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna head back into the shop where you come out of the ride.
What is it?
We got our reservation for Toadstool Cafe at 11 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock right now. But why not go shopping? Josh, are you like a kid in a candy store?
I really am, and I want that shirt right there.
You need it. I think you should buy it.
It's very busy,
I love it.
but I like it a
I kind of
lot.
want it too.
Yeah,
I'm not
I'm gonna
gonna
go
lie.
ahead and
Yeah. So we got our power bands. Josh, show them yours. I got
Yes.
Yoshi. Josh got Mario, and Mom, who'd you get? You got Mario too?
Well, I like red.
You like red? Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I like that. And
Look
Josh,
who's up here.
who is it?
It's Mario and Luigi.
Oh
it's
my
me.
goodness.
It's the Mario Brothers.
Yeah, we might have to wait in line to get a picture. That's amazing. Bye, Luigi.
Let's go.
So guys, I was like, how do you put this on? And I'm like, is this a slap bracelet? No way. Well, it didn't work. Okay, epic fail. Let's do it again. Ready?
Wow.
So cool. I love it.
What'd you get? Mario.
Mario. It's upside down, so it's Wario.
Wario, no.
Yes.
The bad guy.
Yes. Very cool.
Awesome. So guys, I can tell you why they do a virtual queue. Especially, I mean, it is opening weekend, but wow, the crowds are intense. Look at that guy. Did you get it, Mom? We did it. We're getting some points. So we're not exactly sure. Probably should have researched a little bit into this, but we wanted to be completely blind going into this. So we wanted to see it for ourselves. But yeah, apparently there's an app and you can collect different things. So yeah, we're waiting in line for the power-up experience thingy with our bands, and we want to get this key right here. It's the point, I guess. I don't know. They'll explain it to us. Josh, look at Koopa Troopa. So we came up here, the balcony. Saw a cute little Koopa Troopa. So cute. Hi, mister. And there he goes. Wow, this is cool. What a great view. We're waiting to get in for our Toadstool Cafe reservation. But yeah, it's taken a long time. Our reservation was 11 to 11:15 and it is 11:30 and we're still not in yet. Heading into the Toadstool Cafe now. Oh my goodness, look at the desserts. Oops, sorry for the glare. Mount Beanpole cake, question block tiramisu, Princess Peach cupcake. Josh is probably gonna be getting the burger. Oh my word, look at the soup. Salad. Wow. I'm so excited. Look at the little Yoshi eggs. This is amazing. Mario burger, Luigi burger. Hey. Chef Toad short rib special. I might be getting that. Spaghetti and meatballs. Salad. Alright, lots of options here. Guys, oh my goodness, look at little Toad. So we finally got a table 2 hours later. You know those things, 2 hours later. So I got the, now I don't even remember what it's called, lemon squash. Anyways, it's lemon and honey, and it's got fruit boba in it, and it's really delicious. I tried it while we were waiting in line to get our table. After we waited in line to get in, after we waited in line to order. And Josh, what'd you get there?
I got the 1-Up mushroom sipper.
He's very cute. And you got with Coke?
Yes.
Awesome.
And also it's $1.50 refills all day.
Cool. And we're back kind of in the corner here, which the table's nice and roomy, but it would have been fun to be out there to see all the fun things.
Yeah.
We'll walk through it on the way out. At least this is quiet. Okay, so here is more of the rest of the restaurant. Really cute. Little windows. Them making the food back there. On the little conveyor belts. This is really fun too. Here, let me go wide angle. Super fun. It'll be fun to sit at this little round table here in the middle. But yeah, as you can tell, not a big restaurant, which I assumed. But yeah, I wonder it would be better if this was a sit-down reservation only kind of restaurant. I don't know. So we got our food, and Mom and I are gonna share the beef short rib with goat cheese pimento, I think is what it was, but it's really cute. Kind of small piece of short rib, but that's okay. I don't know what this is on top. A piece of bread maybe. And then we got the peach cupcake. which is raspberry, not peach. You would think it'd be peach. Raspberry flavored confetti cupcake, and it's bigger than our short rib, which is funny. Thank you. And then we have, Britt's helping me light up the food, Josh's burger, and it's got a Mario hat on it, which is really cute. And of course, his sipper. We already showed the drinks. So yeah, let's give it a try. So Britt ended up getting the kids' meal because they wouldn't modify his burger. They do no modifications unless you have allergies. So we have a little burger, and then it's a cookie.
Some sort of cookie of something.
Coin cookie. And then Crystal, what is in your mushroom?
Is
Tomato soup. Tomato soup. So cute. I love how they put in the bowl. Now the bowl does not come with it, unfortunately, but it's very cute. Your Mario does. What's happening? Bowser's coming in. Guys, look at the caution things. They're bananas. They're banana peels. How cute. Okay, so I got all 3 of my keys, and now we get to go defeat Bowser, I guess?
Bowser Jr.
Bowser Jr. You can only come in here after you've gotten your 3 keys. Beat 3 of these different things. He's got a key. We didn't do that one. So we'll have to do that sometime, but yeah, we're heading in here now. Oh my word, look. Oh my word. It's baby Bowser. We're doing in here. This is cool though. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow. Turn the lights off. Oh, that's cool. It does interactive things with this.
When you get a fireball, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes! Swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr. and reclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Bowser Jr.'s lair. I'd like you to stay where you are for only a moment longer and look at the number at your feet. That's where you're going to be standing. Also, make sure all loose personal items are placed in the cubbies right behind me. All right, come on in, everyone. It's time to face the final showdown.
Sorry. Peach is thanking us for being courageous and getting the golden mushroom. That was so much fun. Oh my goodness. That was so cool. That was fun, right, Mom? Oh, yeah. That was so fun. We got to, I wish we could have filmed it, but we need arms and everything. We were jumping and hitting bombs and throwing fireballs and all the things. But it was so cool. Guys, it's Princess Peach. How cool.
It's his birthday too, Bumblebee.
It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday.
What do we
Look
think?
at this.
Plants? So you guys are right. Julian and
Oh my word, that's
herbivores. They eat leaves, grass, leafy greens, fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts.
That's awesome.
They are incredibly...
So we're heading up the escalators to the next area. And we're gonna go try to do the studio tour next. That's the next plan. So we're kind of in the middle here. And look, this is a great view of Super Nintendo World. And the whole area here, the mountains. It's just so pretty. So we're up top now on the top level, the entrance. Troll. So cool. So this is completely different than our Universal, and it's so cool. Real mountains back there, guys. Those aren't fake. Guys, look who we found. Beetlejuice. Hello.
Whoa, hey baby. Hey.
How are you?
You know, I'm feeling a little dead.
A little bit dead? I mean, you look fine. You don't look dead.
Oh, thanks. You look pretty fine yourself there, baby.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
We're just getting a little documentation of our time together.
I am.
You gonna call me sometime?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, all right.
I'm gonna need your digits.
Yeah. 6.
Oh no!
That's my name thing, baby.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
I forgot.
yeah, but
okay.
not here. It's a whole different set of circumstances
Okay.
around here. I can't be popping in and out of people's pictures because I'd probably already be gone from yours.
Okay, all right.
See, so, we don't do that anymore.
No more. All right. I'll call you. Bye.
Bye.
And we're walking into Hogsmeade on the West Coast. Looks fairly similar. This is the train conductor. Hello. Thank you. It's oddly familiar, but over here should be Hagrid's to the right. And it's not. So weird. All right, we're here for the studio tour. There's one at 4:30. Don't know if we'll get that one, or 5:30 is the next one. Okay, I think we're gonna make this one. Maybe?
This is unsafe for you and those working at the studio. Instead, reach overhead.
Here we go, guys.
Our hands together for our driver, Richard. Let's hear it for Richard, everybody. Rock and roll. Rocky and Richard are going to take very good care of you this afternoon. Now check it out. I also have a very special celebrity co-host who's going to help me with the tour today. You know him as the host of The Tonight Show. Your safety for the safety of those around you. No selfie sticks on board. All right, everyone. We have officially left the theme park behind, and we are now on the road that is taking us into the heart of the oldest operating film studio in the United States, Universal Pictures. We were founded by a gentleman by the name of Carl Laemmle. He's the gentleman on your screen right now with the bow tie. He himself was an immigrant from Bavaria who came to the United States in the early 20th century. And on April 30th, 1912, he incorporated Universal Pictures as a business, which officially makes us the oldest operating film studio in the United States. We are not actors. That is not a set. Those are real fire trucks, because we are actually a real city here at Universal City. We've got a right. It's a large enclosed building with very high ceilings, 95 to 98% soundproof. And you can make whatever type of environment you need. A blizzard, a rainstorm, a big city, right? A reboot of The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I highly recommend you check it out. It is very, very, very good. I'm a Philadelphia native, and when I heard they were remaking Fresh Prince, I was like, what? But it's actually really gorgeous. That is their backstage area right there. Just a few of their trailers. Look a little different than the others. That is because we've actually built administrative offices into the front of the sound stages, and the rear of the sound stage is where the actual magic takes place. We built these sound stages for the recent Will and Grace revival on MSNBC, and these sound stages are actually capable of supporting a live studio audience. Different types of sets that we have, so as you see them along the journey, you'll know exactly how they work and what they're called. So first up, we have facades, which is what's on your screen right now. And a facade is pretty much just a big fake wall, right? It's a big fake wall. However, when you put it in front of a camera, it can look like an entire building. That's movie magic. That's what you're going to see. I understand that this is probably the closest a lot of you have been to an actual Hollywood set. And as you look at these buildings, right, and as you look at these materials, I want you to understand that what looks like stone, what looks like brick, what looks like concrete, It's plastic. Metropolitan sets can pretty much portray any city, Philadelphia, Detroit, Minneapolis. Although, as you can imagine, the Big Apple is usually what we're portraying. Also have some cars from our Flintstone franchise as well. To my Harry Potter fans, we have the Ford Anglia that Ron picked Harry up in to take them to her second year of Hogwarts and Chamber of Secrets right there. Fought the Whomping Willow in that car. And we also have some cars from our Fast and Furious and Jurassic Park franchises. Now, our picture cars are just as versatile and flexible as our sets, right? We want to be able to throw them off a cliff, repaint them easily. As a matter of fact, coming up on the left, you're going to notice a tank from our Transformers movies. Guess what? That tank is made of plywood. Looks like metal, doesn't it, right? You can knock that tank off over with your pinky, right? Because again, we want to be as flexible as possible to accommodate any production that comes our way. The Back to the Future films, the DeLorean, we made upwards of 12 to 15 different copies of that car so that we could use them all at the same time, shooting in different locations, which saves time and money, right? So much work goes into creating movie magic. Now, some of you noticed that we had some Jurassic Park and Jurassic World vehicles in the studios, so there is a chance you might get eaten on this tour, all right? So arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And keep a lookout. I hear there's some dinosaurs around here somewhere. As many of you are aware, Jurassic Park was a groundbreaking film when it dropped in 1993, especially from a special effects standpoint. The dinosaurs in Jurassic Park were originally going to be stop-motion animation. For those of you unfamiliar with what that is, the films Coraline, or Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio, or Nightmare. And we're going to take a moment to introduce you to one of Hollywood's most prevalent practical effects, and that is weather. All right? So, real rain is very difficult to film because it's unpredictable, it's difficult to light, it comes down too fast. So we here in Hollywood make our own rain. We've got some thunder thanks to some speakers, and a downpour thanks to some sprinklers, or as we call them here in Hollywood, rain rigs. These rain rigs shoot the water straight up. Gravity pulls the water right on down. Again, very easy to control for any production that needs it. Now, I forgot to warn you all, if you are in a blue seat, you might get wet. Those in blue seats might get wet.
Oh, we're all blue seats.
Welcome to the Flash Flood Attraction.
Oh, boy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Flash Flood Attraction.
That's cool.
Wowing audiences since 1968, which officially makes it the oldest attraction of the Universal Studio Tour. Some of you may recognize that section of Old Mexico from the film Big Fat Liar. Washed away. We've utilized Old Mexico for some awesome projects, including Lady Gaga's Judas video, utilized our Flash Flood section of our Old Mexico area. Also, Star Trek Picard utilized Old Mexico to portray the Vulcan planet Vashti. As you can see, we've left Old Mexico behind, and we are now in our old Western sets. Lots of history here. The mid-20th century, the 40s, 50s, and 60s, Western entertainment was huge, both in film and television. Fantastic classic remains seated on the tram. All right, folks, if you look to your left, you're going to see a body of water. That is our Park Lake, used for both film adaptations of the musical Showboat, and the TV series McHale's Navy, also shot in our Park Lake. That Park Lake is also home to my favorite Universal classic monster, the creature from the Black Lagoon, Little Europe. The section of our backlot obviously used to depict scenes with a European feel and look to them. Some of you may recognize our Little Europe as Genovia, from the Princess Diaries to the Kingdom of Genovia. It was also the fairy tale kingdom in Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella, starring Brandy and Whitney Houston. Happy Black History Month, everybody. Most recently, one of my favorite NBC sitcoms heavily utilized our Little Europe sets, and that show is The Good Place. Dispatch, and I get to show you the inside of an actual soundstage. Quick reminder, please remain seated, especially those with children on board. Arms and legs inside the vehicle. There's going to be lots of equipment out. We really don't want anyone reaching for everything. Obviously, it's supposed to be in a subway station, right? This is our setting. Who can tell me what city you think we're supposed to be in? What location? Where are we supposed to be? Very good, the front car. Exactly, San Francisco, right? Teams of dozens of people, tons of designers. All their job is to make sure the road. Reset, back to one. Thank you, Caston. You just experienced an 8.3 earthquake. You just experienced an 8.3 earthquake, simulated, of course, thanks to our earthquake attraction, which can reset itself in 15 seconds. Keep an eye out for him. Got a little heart in the sky. Anyone see some sky riding up there? There he is. Do you see him? There he is. Oh no, he's coming toward the tram. All right, we're going to pull a little further up this pier where I think it's going to be a little safer. Listen. Oh, no. I said no smoking. Who was that? He loves ribs, something he and I have in common. That's my buddy Jaws. Steven Spielberg's 1975 blockbuster classic, Jaws.
That's a much maligned shark. The shark is frustrated. It didn't really work. It didn't work hardly at all. Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio.
Now, some of you may also recognize Amity Island as the setting of one of my favorite TV shows, Murder, She Wrote, which is streaming on Peacock. Have taken place in our Chicken Ranch house. I'm a huge horror fan. Rob Zombie utilized our house for House of a Thousand Corpses. Of the tram, this time, I've got a lot of cars to show you from our Fast and Furious franchise, including Dom's black Dodge Charger. You can also spot Dom's orange Julius car, and for my Transformers fans, ooh, is that Bumblebee in the back? I think it might be. Fantastic score by Bernard Herrmann. Crafted a score using only a string section, violins, violas, cellos, and basses. Not only did that save budget, but it offered a monochromatic sound. Shell, that's not a real house, right? It's actually just a wall. We learned about the different kinds, and... Oh, wait! I think that's Norman! Hey, Norman, how's it going? Oh, he looks a little nervous. I hope he's okay. Yike! Look out for that car! Oh, my goodness! Oh, that was a close one, everybody. All right. Behold, on either side of the tram, the destruction around you. You are now on the set of Steven Spielberg's 2005 sci-fi epic War of the Worlds, adapted from the H.G. Wells 1898 novel of the same name. Look out now. Check out H.G. Wells' book, War of the Worlds. They're both fantastic. This is a real plane you're looking at. Steven Spielberg bought an actual decommissioned Boeing 747. We chopped the top off because we couldn't fit it under the overpasses on the expressways when we were transporting it to the studio, but Steven Spielberg actually liked how the plane looked cut in half because of how creepy all of the empty seats looked.
So the studio tour was a lot of fun, kind of chilly. It dropped like 20 degrees in like 30 minutes. We're gonna head back and get some more jackets, and then yeah, I don't know what the plan is next. We'll see. Show you guys some of the merch in here. Not all of it because we don't have a lot of time, but check out this shirt. It's very Tokyo, and I love it, except for it's $49. Here are the Mario Kart popcorn buckets. Pretty cool, but they're I think $44.99. Super cool though. You have a little stacking Yoshi game. How many Yoshis can you stack for $35? Very tempted to get this. Of course, they have plushies. Plushies everywhere. My favorite Yoshi. They've got a little bag there, a drawstring bag, and a shirt. Thought about this one, but I really wanted to say Super Nintendo World on it, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's $30. This little guy's $30. He's smaller, so I bet he's a bit cheaper. He is $20. Then we've got the cup for $10. It does say, no, it doesn't say Super Nintendo World. Oh yeah, there it does. So it says Yoshi. Here's another look at the Star popcorn bucket. And I don't know how much that is, but this, like I said, Mario is, oh, I said 44. It's $42.99. This one's pretty cool too, and it lights up. I like the little Toad plushie. He's super cute. For $20. They're running low. And they are out of some of the items that I really wanted. They were little mushroom 1-up headbands. They're gone. I'm really sad about that, but that's okay. Oh look, they have pins. Ooh, this one's cool. Yoshi. Oh, that one's cool too. Keychains. We're heading down this way to Secret Life of Pets, and I am so excited to see this. So yeah, that's where we're heading now. In a new little area we've never been in before. First we found the little Minions area here. Super silly fun land. Oh my goodness. Look at them. I love Minions. Oh, so cute. Oh. This is brand new since I was here last. That silly swirly ride. Some little Minions over here. Little Minions over here. They're super cute. Oh, they're spilling the paint. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what'd you do? It's okay. This is super cute. Hi. Shop. All the Minion things. So here is the Minion Cafe. I think we missed out on it because it looks super duper closed. Wah wah. But yeah. Oh well. Next time. Ooh, chicken bacon ranch mac and cheese. Ooh, all that looks super yummy. This is so cute. Oh, here we go. We can get some Minion. Ooh, Minion churros. Cinnamon sugar. It's even afloat. So here is the Secret Life of Pets off the leash. I'm excited for this ride. I cannot wait. Got a cute little French area. It looks French right here, but it's next to a Irish pub. And we're in. Going up the ride. We have an express pass, so we're probably not gonna see much of the neat queue, but that's okay. It'll go quicker. Oh my word, guys.
Wow! It's like a never-ending stream of puppies!
Are you sure these aren't just the same puppies from before?
No way!
I'm saying we can't tell. It's not like they have collars.
That means they don't have homes!
Okay, well, maybe Snowball could help them get adopted.
Yeah! He does this kind of thing all the time!
And it usually works out fine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You hear that? Katie! Katie! Katie!
Just down the hall that way. That's right, just keep walking.
Plastic bags. Who knows? They're nuts. Well, that's it. In our next video, we discuss begging for food from humans. Yes, they are.
Sit on the couch.
What? Welcome to the secret headquarters of Captain Snow. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. It is a little kid's room. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty, grounded, or lose cell phone privileges. I mean, come on, look at you. Now, you definitely got fleas, don't you? And it's cool, because I got two. Psych! I don't have fleas. That there was a mind game. My superior bunny brain just tricked you. Okay, so, to find you a home, we're going to need the greatest plan ever made.
Almost here, I'm excited. It's us! Oh, it's us!
Hurry up, guys! We don't have much time until the pet store closes.
And in dog years, that's even less cool.
I've yet to lose a single puppy. And I know it.
This ride's amazing.
Don't we jump? Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool, high-tech drawings. Come on! Go down and drop out. Don't worry. If there was danger, my burning senses would warn us. Go home now. See you off.
Oh my.
Wait, I love cats. These rockets gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast.
Ladies and gentlemen, your journey has paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, this plan was crazy. This shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in showtime.
Oh, there we are, Mom. Oh my word, look! I'm moving my arm and it's moving with it. Hi, Mom, I'm dead. Move your head, Mom. Oh, Dad! Oh, that's so cute! Mom! Oh,
What do you say? You want to come home with us? Yes! I walk today!
You're welcome, people. It's a celebration.
Yeah, get that there and rock stuff.
Oh my word, that's the
Welcome.
cutest ride ever.
As you return, please
Ever.
lift your arms.
Oh my goodness. Love this ride so much. Universal Orlando, we need this ride. I'm just saying. Secret Life of Pets, my new favorite ride. Okay, I mean, Mario Kart was amazing as well. But so cute, I loved it. Goes Dracula. Oh my. Hi. Oh my goodness, how often do you see that? We had some dinner at the Krusty Burger or the chicken place, I forget, in Simpsons Land. I was gonna show you guys and kind of forgot because we were so hungry. But basically the same stuff we have in Orlando. We're heading into Harry Potter Land. Hogsmeade. This is not busy like ours and I'm loving it. This is awesome. Guys, it's so empty. This is amazing. I'm loving this. Ours would be insane right now with everybody trying to get down to the castle to see the castle show. That's where we're heading right now. Oh, Ollivander's is over here. That's different. So what's over here? Oh, there's a dress shop here. That's different back in the here.
Still doesn't work very well.
Getting ready for the castle show. Starts in a few minutes.
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts Sorting Hat. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. The Sorting Hat can't see.
Hey, we're gonna go on Forbidden Journey, and I've got my phone with me today. Usually it's in my in the locker in my bag, but I have a coat on, so I can zip it up in my pocket. Yay, Gryffindor! Sherbet lemon.
Gryffindor or Slytherin. Either way, enjoy it.
Not all of them.
One of my favorite is the Thilda Bachelor's hobbies.
Perhaps another time. The point is, President is very, very boring.
So cute. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. Going back on the ride again. I'm not gonna film the ride this time, but had to show you that.
Still looking for Max and Duke? Yeah, I hear that. Story of my life. Cool guy though. Who is this, my babies?
He's got a little airplane too. It's Liam's room, Mom.
Liam's room. Okay, and this is where we merged with the express lane.
Sorry, we have to yell at it to leave, or it'll just stay there. This place would be wall-to-wall garbage trucks and mailmen if it wasn't for us.
We're heading out for the night. Gotta check out this cool neon sign. How cool is that? Super fun. All right, well, we are back in the room. You know, we were having too much fun. We forgot to film the ending clip, and it was kind of chilly too. So,
and also we were tired.
Also that, all the things. But we're back. I got a little Yoshi. Oh, little Yoshi. He's so cute. We both got a couple things from Super Nintendo World. It was a really fun day. Exhausting, but fun.
Yeah, it was really awesome. Amazing. The Super Nintendo World, as I called it, Super Mario World, apparently, was really, really awesome just to see it. Yeah, it was crowded and all the things. We had to wait for food and all that, but it was so fun to see it, and the Mario Kart ride was amazing.
It was amazing. Yeah, and the rest of the park was fun too. Secret Life of Pets. Oh my goodness, amazing.
That was awesome.
Mind blowing. I knew it'd be cute, but it was super.
It was like
cute.
Animatronics and stuff, and not just screens. So that was nice.
Yeah, like a fun dark ride that Disney has. So it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us, checking it out. I hope you're able to check out Super Nintendo World sometime. I know we're going to be getting in Orlando in a couple years. I wish it was sooner. It was that cool.
Yeah, it was really cool.
So, all right, guys. Well, sorry for the shakiness, but all right, guys, give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Leave a comment down below if you're excited to check out Super Nintendo World sometime, and we'll see you soon. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.